Hi, I'm Dave and I'm going to explain the river crossing problem. As you can see here, there are 4 people and each of them take a different time to cross the bridge. Four people have to cross the bridge. In this problem, only 2 can pass at a time. We have to find the least amount of time needed for all 4 of them to cross the bridge. The people who require the least amount of time goes first. The fastest person returns back. And then he sends the slowest persons to the other side. The person with the second highest speed returns back. The remaining of the crew goes back to the other side and we have finished our mission in 14 seconds.